Like, what are you doing?
Cal sprang up from the floor as if it had been electrified.
What? Hi. Oh.
He dusted himself down.
How long have you been there?
Mizette looked him up and down, shifted her gaze briefly to Splurt, then went back to sizing up Cal again.
Long enough. Why were you on the floor?
The floor? Oh, the floor. Wow, why was I on the floor? No reason.
Was it some sort of river, sir?
You were wriggling about on the floor for no reason.
You're right. I was wriggling.
Cal shot Splurt and the general direction of Kevin quite a deliberate look. He turned back to Ms.
I fell.
A stick, perhaps?
Since when did sticks wriggle?
Cal smiled at Ms.
I'm fine, honest. Did you want something?
Ms. frowned and looked around the room. She was aware that something was clearly going on, but hadn't yet decided if she cared enough to investigate further. Finally, she shrugged.
I'm just going to the bathroom.
She turned and slouched off along the corridor.
Is it a length of rope being flicked by a child?
What the funk? Why would I be pretending to be a length of rope being flicked by a child, Kevin? I'm letting Splurt have his guess. Splurt?
Splurt immediately shifted shape until a miniature version of a shizworm squirmed on the tabletop.
Yes, that's it! Splurt wins again!
Cal sat down.
Seriously, I don't know how you do it, buddy. It's like you can read my... Oh, wait. You can read my mind, can't you?
Can he? How is that fair? No wonder I never win.
You don't win because you're terrible at guessing, Kevin. I mean, literally, your first 8 guesses were all brick.
Well, prior to you getting involved, that answer would have been correct in 100% of all previous games.
Oh, almost forgot.
Ms. appeared in the doorway again.
Lauren wants to see you. Kevin's figured out where the signal is coming from.
She wandered away again. Cal raised his eyes to the ceiling.
Oh yes, didn't I mention that? With all the fun we were having, it must have slipped my mind.
Cal was already out of the room. He half ran, half fell onto the bridge. An image of the Earth was overlaid on the right of the screen, the rest of the screen still filled with nothing but star streaks. A tiny red blip flashed on the image.
Where's that? Zoom in.
The Earth began to grow, showing first the United States, then the East Coast, and then...
Philly.
Cal lowered himself into his seat. Home.
Can we get any closer?
Accuracy becomes a problem at this distance, but I can narrow it down a little further, sir.